Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a really simple recipe. Basically, it's like a salad style. I got here some broccoli already cut up. So basically broccoli with eggs. So basically what you do is just cut up the broccoli. Like that, cut into small pieces. Alright. Just like that. It's already cut up, maybe a little bit over a pound here. And next thing you need to do is just boil water. And we're gonna blanch the broccoli for about 20 to 30 seconds or so. So bring it to a boil. All right, the water is boiling, so just toss in the broccoli. So I just want to blanch about 20 to 30 seconds, so not long at all. All right, that's it. Just drain out the water and just set this aside. All right, the next thing is I got 6 eggs, medium eggs right here, 6 eggs. So it's just now you want to season the egg a little bit. Just put a pinch of salt. That's it. Just put a little cornstarch right here. Maybe half a teaspoon or so, not much. And just put a little bit of water in the cornstarch and just dissolve it and just pour it in. Mix it up, beat up the egg. All right, that's good. Do a little bit of oil. You don't need too much. Spoon or so. Do this in a couple batches, maybe 2 to 3 batches right here. So basically you just make it like an omelet right here. But all right, flip to the other side. So how is this different from? Okay, that's done, and then do the other batch. So just put it on a cutting board. All right, let's do another batch. Once done, just put on top of each other. Let's go to do another batch. The last batch is done. Just put on top of the other one. All right, just let it cool down a little bit, and all you need to do is just fold it in half like this. And just cut it like that. All right, let's put in the bowl. All right, the next thing is to make the sauce. 3 chili pepper here. Let's cut it. 4 cloves of garlic. Just want to mince it. All right. Rice vinegar right here. Rice vinegar. One tablespoon of that. You can use the regular soy sauce, but I'm gonna use the Ponzu. Ponzu has some citrus in there, so has some sourness in there. Ponzu, they usually they mix basically Ponzu. They just mix it regular soy sauce with citrus, so it's gonna have some sour in there. So I put 2 of that. 2 tablespoons. A couple drop of sesame oil. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. If you want to, you can add a little bit of got chili oil. Add a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Maybe half a teaspoon or so. Just a little bit of salt in there, sea salt. Not too much. Okay. Let's mix it together. So mix it together. So this is a sauce for the broccoli salad. Give it a little taste. It's pretty good. So now let's put the broccoli in. Kind of toss it together. And just put all the sauce in there. Let's give it a taste. So this is simple to make. It's kind of a broccoli with egg salad. So if you have a chance, please give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.